An externship, you could say, is kind of like a precursor to an internship. It's a 4-day in-person interactive development program where you get to immerse yourself in Alcon culture, community, and professional development and interact with full-time employees and really make those connections. I encourage everyone to apply because it gives you that introduction to Alcon that will facilitate your seamless transition here when you become an intern.
I've always been a little bit interested in biomedical. Even though I'm a mechanical engineer, I've been very interested in, just hope to learn a lot about what we can do in the medical technology field, especially relating to eyes. And I heard this is a perfect opportunity, looked into it, applied, and then I got the offer letter, so very thankful.
They introduce you to the different roles that you can be a part of at Alcon. They also introduce you to Alcon associates from different departments as well, and you get an idea of some of the things that Alcon creates.
I've known previous students that were in the externship and they highly recommended it. And with me already kind of knowing something about Alcon and kind of learned more about the corporate side and the manufacturing side, but I was still kind of clueless when it came to R&D. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity.
You're taking a step into what the process looks like to be an engineer at Alcon and think in the Alcon way.
I'm a cybersecurity major, and one of the reasons why I chose my major is because I really enjoy problem solving. I'm a problem solver. I really enjoy situations that challenge my thinking, and Alcon is a strong innovator. Their commitment to innovation and cutting-edge technologies aligns with my passion for working on projects that drive meaningful changes.
I applied to the Alcon externship program because of the opportunity to learn about the industry from industry professionals and to see how they impact human lives, because the eye is such an important part of our body for such a small structure.
Many of the externs that were in my cohort are still people I talk to today. So it's really great how a 4-day workshop can help you form that community and is a unique experience to Alcon.